I'm Justin Wingo. I'm an estimator here at Green Circle Demolition. So today we're talking about a 10-day notification. It's simply an online form that you fill out prior to asbestos removal or demolition, letting the state know that you're going to be performing that type of work. Simply because it's the law. We're required by law to send that into the state to notify them to protect the environment and the community around the building that's coming down or having asbestos being removed. "10-day notification on the form. It has areas where you fill out the type of asbestos it is, friable or non-friable. The friable is the asbestos that can get into the air and is very dangerous. So they want to make sure that you let them know that if it is friable, it's being disposed of properly during the asbestos removal prior to you tearing the building down. The 10 days is 10 business days, so Saturdays and Sundays don't count and federal holidays don't count. So it's got to go to a state certified landfill. So there's several of them around. It just depends on the area, and you just have to make sure that it's they're certified to take the asbestos. So it depends. The only time you can do that is what they call a courtesy notification, and that's when there's no friable asbestos, or an emergency notification where there is a threat to life or a dangerous situation that the building should be coming down prior to 10 days. So generally the owner can fill out the 10-day notification, or the general contractor, abatement contractor, or demolition contractor on behalf of the owner. Again, depends. It's anywhere from $0 to $1,000 on commercial buildings, and it's per building, that whatever has asbestos per building. Again, it depends on the job. If the owner's filing it, he can do one if he knows what contractors are removing the asbestos and doing the demolition. If it's two separate contractors performing the work, then both the asbestos contractor and the demolition contractor have to fill out a 10-day notification. So a 10-day notification is simply an online form that we fill out that notifies the state that we are either performing demolition or abatement on the building, that there is asbestos found in the building and we're removing it legally. And it's important to know also the 10 days is 10 business days. So Saturdays and Sundays don't count and federal holidays don't count. So you know, that's always something that's trips people up. It's 10 business days, and once that's done and they've been notified, we're allowed to start the work. And then, you know, on that form it shows where we're taking it, what landfill we're taking it, and what type of material it is, so the state knows everything, and it has it documented in a database. Thanks for watching, and just, you know, keep in mind that those 10 days are, you know, something that everybody's got to do.